Hello everyone, and you're watching Data Analytics Professionals, and I'm Shahnaz Malik. Let's jump into today's lecture and see what we could learn today. Now, today's topic is all about update, which is within CRUD operation used in SQL. And just to remind all of you that this is a lecture series on SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and this is lecture number 34 already. I hope that you have watched all previous lectures, and let's see what we have to learn, what we could learn from this lecture. Now, update, the third letter of CRUD is U, and which refers to update operation. Using the update keyword, SQL brings a change to an existing record or records of the table. Remember, there arise situations in business when we may need to update the row or rows in a table. At that moment of time, we don't want to delete the record, but rather just update it in place where required, and to accomplish this task we use update. And point to remember, now when performing an update, we will need to define the target table and the columns that need to update along with the associated values, and we may also need to know which rows need to be updated. Now, in general, we want to limit the number of rows in order to avoid log escalation and concurrency issues. So remember this point. This is a really extremely important point to remember. And the syntax is simple. It's an update. You give the name of the table where you want to update, then you give the keyword set, and you give the column name, and what value you want in that column name. And then you can have more than one column. You can update one column or more than one column. That's no problem. All you need to separate them with commas, and follow the same. Column 2 is equal to whatever value you would like to give, column 3 whatever value you would like to give. Separate by them by commas, and you can put where condition, and that's very important. If you don't put this where condition, then it might give you unwanted results. Okay. Now, uh, just to show you how this all works, always I show you through practical tasks. And let's open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and see how this works. And I am going to switch to here I am now on my server studio. So what I'm going, the main thing is we have to learn this part. Okay, this is the query, this is the meat, this is what we are going to learn. But just to show you what this does, first of all, I'm going to execute this query, which means I'm fetching everything from person.address. Okay, and let's execute. Now if you see here, uh, if you see in the next, in when I'm going to now execute this query, you see I am requesting set postal code equal to 14111, where ID is 35. So let's first see, before this update, we have already executed this query, right? So let's see what is at address ID 35 in postcode. Okay. Now, sorry, I need to go here. So here it is. If you see, address ID 35, and the postcode is at the moment 14222, right? See, postcode, so address ID 35, the postcode is 14222. And what we are looking to do with it, so we are looking to change it to 14111, right? When we execute this, so when we execute this, this 14222 should change into 14111, because that's what we are updating. We are updating this record only with post. We want to change postcode to this, and then we will see if it has happened. Now, if I execute all this together, I will get two results. I will get one of this, then this will happen, and then I will fetch again. But let us first uh, let me execute this now. I hope you understood. Until now the situation is this. Now I'm going to execute this part. So here it is. It's all done. See, one row affected. Okay, that's a good sign. So query is executed. Now I'm going to run again the same stuff, right? This one here. So previously it was 14222. Now if this is successful, which we have already received the message, but let's see it. Now here is 35 again, and here is your 14111. That's what we did. And it only affected that one record, because because address ID is unique in the address table, right? In the person.address table. So this is the way. And I could have shown here more than one column, and then basically I could have set again the keys, and could have set again the key, and write any other column, and then that's not a problem. That will also that will also work. So we save this. This is it. This is it. It's very simple, nothing special, nothing complicated. All you need to remember: update, give the table where you want to update, then set the column. Set the set use the set key, then show the column name and give the value, and then put the condition if you want to put the condition. And just remember what you are doing, because when you are in a practice, if you are on a dummy database, not a problem if you change something. But in real world, you have seen that if I would have requested to change a million rows, and that would have gone through within seconds, and all records updated. So always when you're working with in a real world scenario, just make sure that what you are doing, try to there are ways to check the records which you are going to update before for example, send an update, or for example, if we have to delete something. I will show everything will be discussed in coming lectures, and as we move towards intermediate level and expert level, I'm going to show all those cautious and things that we need to make things points that we need to make take care of. Okay, now if this was all good, then this is time to say, if you like the video, then please subscribe, connect to my account if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, I thank you all for watching. Data analytics professionals. Well, it is time to say goodbye to all of you. I hope you enjoy the lectures, and I am requesting all of you, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to please share, because that supports us, and that gives me more and more motivation to make more and more videos for all of you guys. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time. Bye.